Hi everyone, this is lesson 28, HSK1, and we will practice words from the last lesson. And let's read some dialogues. Dialogue number 1, shopping for clothes. Let's see. These clothes are very beautiful. 这些衣服很漂亮. As you can see, every few lessons, these dialogues grow a bit, so a bit longer. So don't, but it's very slowly process, so don't be scared. 这些衣服很漂亮。Those 衣服 clothes 很漂亮 is very beautiful or are very beautiful. Yes, I like this red one. 是啊，是啊 it's like 是的 or yes or I agree. 我喜欢这件红色的。I like 我喜欢这件 it's measure word for clothes for clothes. 红色 色 it's color. 红 it's red, so you can just say red or red color. 红色的 the here is mean just short version for 红色的衣服 because we already have 件 and you don't need to specify because we in context and they talk about the same thing. You've got bought quite a few clothes. 你买了不少衣服啊。你买了 you bought or you have bought 不少 quite a few 不少 not small amount of something 不少衣服 clothes and are for emphasize 你买了不少衣服啊。So because just for emphasize. Yes, I like them all. 对，我都很喜欢，I like everyone. So do all of them or every like. So I like the all. Dialogue number 2, talking about bookstore. Let's see. Let's go to the bookstore. 我们去书店吧。we go 书店 bookstore and bar for let's. So 我们去书店吧。Okay. Okay, I want to buy some books. How okay, it's like how it's just confirmation, not some. Okay, just quite calm. 我想买一些书。I want to buy 一些书 some books. So I want to buy some books or a few books, not big amount of something. What kind of books do you like to read? 你喜欢看什么书？你喜欢 you like 看 to watch to read, but here is to read because of books. 什么书 which books? What books? Which books? 你喜欢看什么书 What kind of books you can say? Or which books also you could say. Because here is in Chinese no kind of something. It's another character for this one. I like reading English books. 我喜欢看英语书。英语 English books. So I like 我喜欢看 to read 英语书 English books. Me too. 我也是。I also like. I also I is you can say. Or I also am, but in English of course, me too. 我也是。Discussing a car. This car is very beautiful. 这辆车很漂亮。这辆车 as you can remember, 辆 measure word for cars. So 这辆车 this car 很漂亮 is very beautiful. Yes, I drive it to work every day. 是啊 confirmation. Yes. 我每天都开它去上班。I every day 我每天都every time or all just like work with 每天都 for emphasizing this every day every day. 开它开 it's to drive something. 它 it's like it. I drive it. So it's pronunciation the same with he and she, but another character and only for some not live person, not some no not for people, not for people, I think, because it could be for cats, for dogs, something like that. So in English also this way. 我每天都开它去上班 to go to 上班 it's go to work. So you can translate just work. 去上班 it's go to work. Can you drive? 你会开车吗？你会 you can or you able to do something? 你会开车吗？ Can you drive? Yes, I've been driving for 5 years. 会 I can 会。我开车已经5年了。I drive 我开车 I drive a car. I think it's new word for us. 已经 already or so I think it's already or yet. Let's see. Already, now, enough, gone, ready, has been. I think already is a good one. So let's see. I've in English they skip it. I have been driving for 5 years, but you can say I have been driving already for 5 years, something like that. 我开车已经5年了，already 5 years, 5年了。I think for past participant, for past for present perfect, because in English also present perfect. Have been it's present perfect continuous. Let's skip for now. Dialogue 4, talking about apples. Let's see. Do you like eating apples? 你喜欢吃苹果吗？苹果。You like 你喜欢吃 to eat 苹果吗？ It's apples. Yes, these apples are very sweet. 喜欢 I like. 这些苹果很甜。Those or this apples. So 这些苹果. You can see in Chinese they don't say 苹果man because we don't need to say apples. Because we have 写 it's already emphasized for many objects. 这些苹果很甜。甜 it's sweet. So 这些苹果很甜。or you can say 很甜 or just 很 for half third half. Only this only down but not up. 很甜。I bought quite a few apples. 我买了不少苹果。我买了 I bought or I have bought or I bought 不少 quite a few 苹果 apples. So 我买了不少苹果。Great, let's eat them together. 太好了。好 it's good. 太好了 it's great, it's very good. 太什么好了 so 太棒了，太热了，太冷了。Super hot, super cold, and so on. 我们一起吃吧。So we together 一起吃 eat and let's for ba let's 我们一起吃吧。And last one for today, making plans or plans. Did you see Mr. Wang? 你看见王先生了吗？你看见 it's to see someone. To see who? Wang for family name. 先生 Mr. Wang 先生 Mr. Wang. And left for 看见 it's because past simple you can say. And ma for question. Yes, he will be back in 5 minutes. 看见了 I saw him. Oh yes, 看见了他5分钟后回来。他5分钟 5 minutes 5分钟后 later 回来 come back. So he will return back in 5 minutes. He will be back in 5 minutes. 他5分钟后回来。Let's wait for him. 我们等他吧。等他吧。We 等 wait 等 to wait someone. 他 wait him or wait him and but for let's. 我们等他吧。Okay, I have a little time. 好啊 OK. 我有一点时间。I have 一点 a bit of something, a little bit of something. Oh, you can read it 一点 but here's R, so you need to read 一点时间 time. So 我有一点时间 have a little time. So it's all for today, and we will learn new words in the next lesson. See you.